Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's meeting. I would like to take a roll call before we start our meeting. Farah?
Here.
Hakim?
Dan?
Ishad?
Yes, here.
Tan?
Yes, I'm here.
Sim?
Yeah, me too. I'm here too.
Okay, good. Everyone is here. So the objective of today's meeting is to make a decision on how to make the work environment safer, disabled-friendly, and eco-friendly. Before I go further, I would like to go through the minutes for our last meeting. Is there any addition or correction for the minutes?
No.
Okay, all right, thank you. Now, can someone approve the minutes?
Yeah, I'll approve for this minute.
Okay. Could someone else second the motion?
I second the motion.
Okay, the minutes are approved. Ishad, can you tell us how is the progress for our project?
Sure. The progression of the project so far has been very progressive. Hakim and I have been working together very well since the start of the project. We have kept in touch with the financial manager, who is Farah. She had gave us the financial report of this company for the last 3 months. For your information, our company has gained a lot of profit. Therefore, we surely can continue with this project since we have a lot of budget. Farah will explain more about the financial report later. Sim also had given me the report on any issues arise in the company. Tan also have been doing a good progress with the employees training. So I would say so far the project has been a good progress.
Okay, thank you, Ishad. Let's continue with the agenda. Have you all received the copy of the agenda that I emailed you a few days ago?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, good. There are 3 items in the agenda. The first item is report on the progress from each department. Next is feedback on the action plan. And the last item is about the emergency issues. Sim, would you mind taking the minutes?
Yeah, sure.
Next, we will hear the short report from the financial department. Farah, could you please start?
Yes, sure. Thank you, Chong. As Ishad has mentioned earlier, we have made a huge profit based on our financial report for the last 3 months. So, as I mentioned in the previous meeting, conserve energy within the office will help us on reducing expense and make more profit. So because of that, a lot of tools and equipment can be installed in order to create a safer working environment. And also we are able to invest in training the worker about the welfare of disabled worker. That's all.
Okay, thank you, Farah, for the informative report. Ishad, can you continue with your report?
Right. I will proceed with my report from the ownership department. My report consisting of the tasks that we have achieved and the tasks that are still in progress. The tasks that we have achieved, that we have done the survey on what suitable SOP and regulation to be implemented in this company. However, we can't enforce the SOP yet since Hakim and I are still discussing whether the regulation is parallel with the infrastructure design. I will give the feedback next for the next meeting.
Thank you, Ishad. Hakim, would you mind reporting from your department? Hakim, we cannot hear your sound.
I'm sorry. Can you hear it now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. My department is consists of doing work such as the maintenance and the installation of the machineries required for the operation of our warehouse. And other than that, my department also responsible to design and supervise the ongoing construction that will carry out on our new warehouse and premises so that it oblige the minimum standard of the company. Next, my department job is also to monitor and to repair any damage that happen in our premises. That's all.
Okay, thank you, Hakim. Next person presenting will be Tan.
Oh, okay. All right, thank you, Jung. So I will report about the condition of employee training in this project. In this project so far, after previous meeting, I have hired many new workers in this project. So those workers have received their proper trainings and their performance are so far satisfying. So therefore, there are not many big issues in human resource. It's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Tan. So next is last is Sim. Can you present for your department?
Yes, I'm Sim from Public Relations. So my department is to make sure our brand, our image are clear to our audience or any kind of customer. So what I've done is I've contact any radio station to build up our reputation. Besides that, I'm planning to create a page, Facebook page or Insta page so that we can promote our product and also promote our image to our customer so that our image can be built up well. We can show our image to our customer in a clear form. So that's all for me.
Okay, so we have discussed on the item 1. Now let's move on to item 2. So we will discuss about the feedback on the action plan from each of you. We need to make a decision on how to make the work environment safer, disabled friendly, and eco-friendly. What do you all think? Yeah, any one of you want to start first? Sorry, Hakim, we cannot hear the sound.
May I start?
Yeah.
May I start with it?
Yeah.
Thank you, Chong. Okay. For my thoughts on making our premises a safer, disabled-friendly, and eco-friendly one, I have already drafted a few ideas so that it can be implemented in our premises. But it also have to collaborate with Irshad's department so that it comply the company's minimum standard. My first thoughts on to making our working environment much more safer than before is to make regular inspection on our premises to inspect any leaking or damages that may happen under our supervision. Next is to supervise the infrastructure and the installation of the machineries. That we also need to monitor the ongoing construction so that it comply the standard that were highlighted by the law enforcement body. Next, is for safety purposes, I've already suggested to Irshad that we should install an alarm system such as the smoke alarm in case of fire breakout or any other emergencies that may happen. Next is to immediately repair any damaged machineries or any part of the premises so that it will not injure or harm any workers. Next, to make our working environment much more disabled friendly is that I've also proposed to Irshad about adding some specialized facility for disabled people such as toilets and ramps to ease their movement to the premises. As we all know, inside our company, there are few persons who happen to be disabled people. So I think it is a good move to make our working environment is much more disabled friendly one. Next is also to install alarm systems in places such as toilets, because I've also making some case study regarding how a few person and of course the disabled person will happen to fall from the toilet, and without no one notice that they are having an accident. So I think it may be a good step to install a alarm system so that people will be alerted about their shortcoming. Next is to make our company an eco-friendly one. This one I've already drafted, and I will also propose to Ishad about the design is to install eco-friendly appliances such as eco-friendly refrigerator, air conditioner, and so on. Because eco-friendly appliances are not only saving electricity, but also much more eco-friendly. Next is to design a proper waste management system so that the workers and the staff can dispose their general waste in much more proper way. And to also to make a specific recycling area. I think that is all from my Chong. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, Mr. Chong, I have a suggestion for the.
Sorry, Sim. Yeah.
Sorry? Yes, Mr. Chong, I have a suggestion for the plan.
Yeah.
Yes, I suggest that we assign an ambassador to promote our company's image. Yeah, so based on what Mr. Hakim had said just now, I think to build up our company's image, we could assign an ambassador like to promote the SOP of our companies, so that our customer can know our company safety would be more permanent, more clear, or more we can clarify our company's safety issue to our customer, so that our customer know all of our procedure in processing our products or any kind of projects. So that could increase our company's image to build it up. So that's my suggestion.
Okay. So how about the others?
Sorry to interrupt. In my opinion, I think there is a good idea from Mr. Hakim. So as what Mr. Hakim said just now, we try to improve the infrastructure for our company. But I think that we need to divide it into a few stages. It means that we need to divide it according to phases, and we provide a clear timeline about this project. My opinion is about that. So any other opinions?
In my opinion, I think I could agree on both of you, on all of you, because especially I came because we have been working together, we have kept in touch together. Everything that is Hakim has mentioned is everything that me and Hakim has discussed. So furthermore, we will dealing a lot with dangerous equipment in this company. So it is very important to protect our employee safety.
How about Farah?
Well, I agree with all of you, but from my financial department, I will try my best to reduce the cost yet with the high impact. So I think we need to reduce spend on infrastructure and maintenance department. I'm so sorry, Hakim, but I think especially on the part of installing eco-friendly air conditioner and refrigerator, if I'm not mistaken, because I think we can do more on that, because especially such as adopting eco-friendly practicing by among workers within the office as much as possible. So I think that's the most cost efficient way that we can do.
Okay, thank you all for your feedback. After a long and deep discussion, I think we all agree to upgrade our company's infrastructure. However, we need to also make sure the budget is sufficient for us to upgrade it. So is there any objection?
So far, so good.
I have no objection.
Yeah, no. I just hope that we can make this work based on our allocated budget. That's all.
Sure.
Okay, so now, yeah,
Yes, Mr. Chong,
Yeah.
have another suggestion.
yeah.
I suggest that we could hire a environmentalist and maybe good environmental practices, so that our awareness towards this environmental friendly and also workplace safety could be increased. Yeah, instead of just improving our infrastructure, I think increase our awareness or raise our awareness is quite important also.
Okay.
Yes,
So is
but
there any,
this also depends on the budget.
okay. So is there any objection from the others about same opinions?
I think that's a good opinion. I will try to look forward for that opinion. I will try my best to look to make the environmental more safe.
Yes, thank you. We are all looking forward on it.
Okay. So now that we have concluded item number 2, let us proceed to the last item, which is any other emergency issues. Yeah.
So far, it's okay for my department, but I think I have to contact the radio station and also TV station frequently, so that we could get the slot as soon as possible.
All right. So any other, Mr. Hakim?
I accept her opinion because she is right about to lower the cost on a few appliances that can be replaced by better alternatives. So I will discuss with this department about the best alternative that I can find to replace the appliances and replace it with a better solution. That's all. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, since there is nothing else, let's wrap up then. Before we leave, can we set the date for the next meeting on the 1st of July?
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Okay for me.
Okay, so thank you for attending this meeting.